Okay, so you can see that we have an order block here that push price up a little bit. So let's shift to for our time frame. That's where our main focus is for this video. So if you get to look at this level here, you get to see that price went up massively, and then we were anticipating that price will get to this level here, and as you can see, price is at this level here. So already those who have their buy limits here, they are activated. But what I was actually expecting was to price to push down a little bit, get to this candle of our base at this level here, just push down a little bit, get to this candle of our base, or this propulsion block as we can call it, because if you look at here, get to this candle of our propulsion block, because we have an order block here. So get to this candle of our propulsion block a little bit, but you can see that our price, it seems as if it's going up. But what you can do, keep in mind that price might come to this level before really moving up. So you know that your stop loss is supposed to be here, 5 to 10 pips away from this low. That's where you're supposed to put your stop loss. So as you can see now, your first target is gonna be this level here, because we are targeting price to collect all this buy side liquidity here. So this is gonna be your take profit also, and also this one is gonna be your take profit. So whatever you do, make sure that you scale your trade in a way that you can partially close as price is getting to these levels here, collecting this buy side liquidity. So but if you look at this level here, this is the level where I'm expecting to see a sell setup unfolding. And also if you look here at this level here, you can see that this order block has not yet been touched. So this is also a level where we can potentially see a sell at this level here. So just keep in mind that we also have something here. Okay, so either way, we are waiting for price to get to this level, and then we get to see what price gives us. And when price get to this level also, we're going to be looking for some sell opportunities. But now, as for now, just make sure that you take this trade, you make the most out of it, and please use best risk management practice. Okay, shalom.